Hey guys, welcome back, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm really happy because these are the nails that we're getting into this video and I'm really proud of these. These are my favorite set so far. These were really easy. I definitely want to say that these are beginner friendly. I found these easier than doing French tips. French tips is a sort of certain je ne sais quoi. But these were really nice to do, really fun to do because they're just freehand lines, dots. I did find inspiration for these nails on Pinterest, so I'll probably put the picture here somewhere. And yeah, let's get into the video. So as usual, I did the nail application and shaping off camera, and now I'm getting my acetone out so I can blend the edges. Using this brush, I just kind of brush the acetone towards the edge. This helps to melt everything together and make it look seamless and clean. After that, I'm just taking my file across all of my nails to just sort of give a rough layer for everything to stick to. Then I'm using this Builder nail gel. I'm just doing a really thin layer of it as like a slip layer. And I was going to use this to build up the shape, but I ended up changing to a different shade. I did 2 layers of this, so you can see the first layer and then I cured it. And then another layer, which you can see the nails become a bit more opaque. I used a fine tip brush to sort of move the product around and then turning my finger upside down to level everything out. And then I switched to this shade, which is a bit of a deeper pink, which I'm really happy that I chose this one because this shade is perfect. So you can see the nails become a lot more opaque, so less see-through. After that, I used the alcohol to get rid of the sticky layer. I did use my file again just to clean up the shape ever so slightly, and then I washed my hands to get rid of the dust. Next, we're getting into the design. Everything that I'm using is from Amazon and I've put it in an Amazon wish list, so you can check that out from the link in my description. These colours are quite sheer in comparison to the gel paints that you might see in nail shops, which I actually quite prefer. But next I'm mixing some colours together because I don't have my exact colour that I'm wanting to use. And I'm using this sponge tool to make a sort of dispersed colour effect. I don't have an airbrush, so this is like the second best thing. And I'm just taking that in layers, going quite haphazardly to build up the colour. There's no rhyme or reason to this design. It's going to look different for everyone that does it. So this set is quite relaxing to do, knowing that it doesn't have to be clean cut and precise. And I'm just doing that in layers to build up the depth and the shades. Doing the same thing with the pink. Curing everything and then going back to the green. I just wanted to make sure that there was enough green on there as well and it wasn't just overtaken by pink. After that, we're switching colours to black and white to do the other part of the painted design. This brush that I'm using is from Glisten Cosmetics. It's a makeup liner brush, but obviously it's going to be perfect for this. I'm just drawing curved lines that meet together, and then using the end of this dotting tool to make some perfectly round dots that go alongside the lines. This is nice because you can just freehand and make it look the way that you want it to look, and if I ever made a mistake I would just clean it off with a bit of acetone and try again. Not that you can make a mistake. Let's say if you drew a line that you didn't really like, you can take it off and draw something different. When I'm happy with the design, I'm using this builder gel from Btartboxnails. This gel builder is from their sort of Xcoat Tips kit, and you would have seen me use it in the French tip nail video, but I honestly use it in all of my nail sets. It's a more viscous consistency compared to the other builder gel that I was using earlier, and it's just going to add a bit more strength and another layer to stop chipping of the design. So when I cure that, I follow that with the top coat, making sure to cap the ends. And then I'm using a hand lotion and some cuticle oil to finish off. This was definitely one of my quicker sets. I think I took the inspiration really well from the Pinterest image. I prefer an almond looking set, so I'm happy that the design looks just as cute on that shape too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, God willing. Bye.